Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a course which is called Python programming course, and which I teach you about Python programming. So Python is nowadays very highly used programming language, and it is also a very highly paid programming language. So it is worth it to learn. So our today's topic is comparison operators in Python. So I create a file comparison op.py for comparison operators. So what are the comparison operators? Comparison operators are used to compare between two values. So comparison operators. So let's see. So first I am creating two variables like 6, a is equal to 6, b is equal to 10. Okay, now these are some conditions. So let's see. I write here print. The first condition is first comparison operator a greater than b. This is the comparison. So what is the answer? Let's see. So it shows us false. Comparison operator returns true or false, mean booleans, which we studied in our previous video. So it returns false, but there are other conditions like print a is less than b. This is another condition. So it's first print false. Because of this, I also print this one, and I also this true. So there are four more, like first I write, then I explain it to you. Is equal to b, print a not equal to b, print a is greater than equal to b, print a is less than equal to b. First I have to run the program, and then I will explain. So the first is false. A is greater than b. A is 6, b is 10. So this is a false statement. So it shows us false. The second is a is less than b, which means this is true because a is 6 and a is less than b. The third is a is equal to b. I already told you that in Python, if we want to show is equal to, then we have to put 2 equal to. So a is equal to b, because single equal to means assignment operator. So a is equal to b. This is not true because a is 6, and so that's why it gives false. Then another condition, this condition is a is not equal to b. This exclamation mark appear with shift plus 1, and this means this shows no or not. So a is not equal to b, that's true because a is not equal to b, so it gives true. After that, a is greater than equal to b. A is not greater than or a is not equal to, that's why it gives us false. Then last condition is a is less than equal to b. A is both conditions are true because a is only one condition is true because a is less than b, so that's why it's true. Because this statement shows if a is less than or equal to, if any condition is true, then it shows true. So these are the comparison operators. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn Python programming language. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.